Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Let's dive into something super important today, AI ethics. As artificial intelligence develops, it's not just about how cool or powerful it can get, it's about making sure it does the right thing. AI ethics is a set of moral principles and guidelines that govern how we build and use AI technologies. Why does this matter? Because when AI systems make decisions, they can impact our lives in big ways. Take fairness, for example. AI should treat everyone equally and not perpetuate biases or discrimination. Sounds simple, right? But it's a huge challenge, especially when AI learns from historical data that might be biased. Then there's transparency. We need to know how AI systems make their decisions. It's not enough for an AI to just give us an answer. We need to understand the why behind it. This helps build trust and ensures that AI is accountable. Accountability is another big one. If an AI system makes a mistake, who takes responsibility? Humans, right? Developers and companies must be held accountable to ensure these systems don't cause harm. Let's not forget privacy. AI can process vast amounts of data, and it's crucial that our personal information is protected. We must ensure that AI respects our privacy and operates in a way that safeguards our data. Beyond these, AI ethics also considers the social impacts. Things like job displacement and decision-making autonomy. We need to create AI that benefits society without causing undue harm. In the end, the goal is clear. Create AI that promotes fairness, upholds human rights, and benefits society. It's not just about the tech, but about the people it impacts. So, next time you think about AI, remember, it's not just about what it can do, but also about what it should do. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.